Cobras, belonging to the family Elapidae, are among the most iconic and feared snakes in the world. Known for their hooded display and potent venom, cobras have fascinated and terrified humans for centuries. This essay explores the physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproductive strategies, and conservation status of cobras, with a focus on some of the most well-known species. Physical characteristics. Cobras are medium to large-sized snakes, typically ranging from 3 to 10 feet in length, depending on the species. Their most distinctive feature is the ability to flare their neck ribs into a hood when threatened, creating an intimidating display. This hood is often marked with eye-catching patterns or colors that can vary widely among species. Cobras have smooth scales and a streamlined body that aids in their agility and speed. Their heads are generally broader than their necks, and they possess large, forward-facing fangs that deliver potent neurotoxic venom capable of paralyzing their prey and deterring predators. Habitat and distribution. Cobras inhabit a variety of environments across Africa and Asia, from savannas and grasslands to forests and deserts. They are highly adaptable and can thrive in both rural and urban areas, provided there is adequate shelter and prey. Some of the well-known species include the Indian cobra, Naja naja, found in South Asia, the Egyptian cobra, Naja hage, native to North Africa, and the king cobra, Ophiophagus hanna, the world's longest venomous snake, found in Southeast Asia. Cobras prefer habitats with ample hiding places such as rock crevices, termite mounds, burrows, and dense vegetation. Access to water sources is also important for many species. Behavior and adaptations. Are generally solitary and territorial animals, except during the breeding season. They are primarily diurnal, but some species may exhibit nocturnal behavior. Cobras are known for their defensive posture, where they raise the front part of their body, spread their hood, and hiss loudly to ward off threats. This display, combined with their ability to deliver a deadly bite, makes them formidable opponents. Some cobras, like the spitting cobras, Naja species, have evolved the ability to eject venom from their fangs, aiming for the eyes of potential threats to cause pain and temporary blindness. Cobras rely on their keen senses of smell and vision to detect prey and predators. Diet and hunting strategies. Cobras are carnivorous and primarily feed on small mammals, birds, amphibians, and other reptiles, including snakes. The king cobra, in particular, is known for its diet that predominantly consists of other snakes. Cobras use their venom to subdue prey, which quickly immobilizes and begins the digestion process. They are opportunistic hunters and may actively search for prey or ambush it. Once the prey is struck and envenomated, the cobra will wait for it to succumb before swallowing it whole. Their flexible jaws and expandable bodies allow them to consume prey much larger than their head size. Reproduction. Cobras are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs rather than giving birth to live young. Mating typically occurs during the spring, and females lay clutches of 10 to 30 eggs in concealed, warm, and humid locations such as burrows, under logs, or in leaf litter. Some species, like the king cobra, are known to build nests and fiercely guard their eggs until they hatch. The incubation period varies but generally lasts around 2 to 3 months. Hatchlings are fully independent from birth and measure about 8 to 12 inches in length. They possess functional venom glands and are capable of delivering a bite immediately after hatching. Conservation status. The conservation status of cobras varies among species. While some species are relatively abundant and listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, others face significant threats from habitat destruction, human persecution, and the illegal wildlife trade. For example, the king cobra is listed as vulnerable due to habitat loss and exploitation for traditional medicine and the pet trade. Conservation efforts for cobras include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, public education to reduce fear and promote coexistence, and research to better understand their ecology and population dynamics. Protecting the natural habitats and mitigating human-wildlife conflicts are crucial for the long-term survival of cobra species. Conclusion. Cobras are remarkable snakes with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in diverse habitats across Africa and Asia. Their role as predators and their distinctive behaviors make them significant components of their ecosystems. Understanding and protecting cobras is essential for maintaining the biodiversity and ecological balance of their natural habitats. Through continued research, conservation initiatives, and public education, we can work towards ensuring the survival of cobras for future generations to appreciate and study.